Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Kalina Yankova, a violinist, educator and entrepreneur. And this is my educational platform where I share insights, techniques and nuances about violin playing. Have you ever struggled with the messy bow changes, scratchy string crossings and slow inconsistent staccato? Today I will show you 4 powerful exercises that will help you gain control over your bow. These are some techniques used by advanced violinists to achieve smooth transitions, clean articulation, and effortless speed. So grab your violin and let's start it. So string crossings can be a major challenge, especially when playing fast passages. If your bowing feels clunky or noisy, this exercise is a very good solution for you. Find the bow's balance point, and this is where the frog and the tip are evenly weighted. Should be somewhere here. And now place your bow above the balance point on E string. Keep your elbow relaxed and low, and move only your wrist to cross between E and G string. The goal is to make the movement silent and fluid. So keep your bow straight and controlled to avoid unwanted side noises. If you hear scratching or bumpy transitions, slow down and refine the movement. Follow the rule of thumb that the elbow is leading the string crossing down to the higher strings, and the wrist is leading the bow when you're going to the lower strings. So look like that. My tip is to start slow and exaggerate the motion at first. As you get comfortable, make the movement smaller until it feels natural. Tips number 2 is the finger gym for bowing, or coulet motion. Your fingers play a bigger role in the bow control than you may think. So this exercise strengthens the finger flexibility and improves the bow changes, making your transitions feel light and effortless. So this is how to do this exercise. Hold the bow with your left hand in the center of your body, just to isolate your right hand movement. Use your fingers to lift and drop the bow by keeping it straight. Keep your wrist slightly pronated to avoid instability and to allow flexibility. Alternate between your left hand guiding and your right hand controlling the movements alone. So you can do a couple of exercises with your left hand helping, and then you can remove it and try to do it yourself. At first, this may feel awkward, but with daily practice, your bow changes will feel very smooth. Try doing, for example, 5 reps with your left hand and then 5 reps on your own. I call next tip lightning staccato. You can also call it up and down bow staccato. Do you want to have a crisp and controlled bow strokes? Mastering up and down bow staccato will help you achieve clean articulation, whether you're playing Baroque music or flashy virtuosi pieces. So let's try to do it on the up bow first. So you start by your wrist completely in a normal, on a neutral position, and then you pronate your wrist, and then you do another bow. Then you pronate your wrist and do another bow. pronate, another bow, pronate, pronate, and so the down bow will be exactly the opposite motion. We start with the pronation, and then we move downwards. Couleur, couleur, couleur. Use your fingers to initiate each stroke instead of your arm. Reset your wrist between strokes, lift slightly towards the tip for up bow staccato and towards the frog for down bow staccato. Maintain arm weight instead of pressing down, because that will prevent a harsh and choke sounds. Focus on sharp initial bites while keeping both bow movements horizontal, not downwards pressure. And start slow and then gradually build speed while keeping control. If you lose clarity at higher speeds, slow down and focus on articulation before increasing the tempo. I will say that I would start with up bow staccato first and then add down bow staccato. Once both feel comfortable, I will alternate between them for an extra challenge. The fourth tip I called Speed Booster. Do you want to play faster without losing control? Speed isn't just about moving your hand fast. It's also about training your brain and fingers to stay coordinated. Here is how you can gradually increase your bow speed while keeping every note crystal clear. Start with single staccato strokes, making sure that they are even and precise. Then you can go over to 2 staccato. And then you fix your hand. Then you go to 3. And then you can increase to 4, 5, or 6, as many as you can. And make sure that you stop in between so you can reset your hand. You can also use rhythmical variations. Try long, short, and short, long, and different bowing patterns to build agility. So, or long, short, short, long. And you can, of course, try the same exercises on down bow. Stay relaxed. Tension will slow you down. So the speed comes with control. The better your technique is, the easier it's to play fast. Think of this like a sprint training. You don't start by running full speeds, you gradually build up endurance and coordination. Mastering these exercises takes time, but if you stay consistent, you'll see huge improvements. Here is how you can incorporate this into your daily practice routine. Start with 5 to 10 minutes per exercise daily and focus on quality over quantity. Don't rush through them. Gradually increase the speed and refine the movement as you get comfortable. Record yourself to track progress and spot any mistakes. Apply what you learn to actual repertoire. Practice transitions in real pieces. By working on these exercises consistently, your bow control will feel effortless and your sound will become more refined and expressive. I hope you found these exercises helpful. Let me know in the comments which one you struggle with most and how it's helping you improve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more violin tips and tutorials. See you in my next one.